In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load snapshots into existing account on GoHighLevel 2026. A snapshot is a pre-built package of assets, things like funnels, websites, automations, pipelines, calendars, templates, and supporting settings that you can import into a sub-account to standardize your build and save hours of manual setup. We're going to load one of those snapshots into an existing client account, safely and efficiently. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. At the top left, click the dashboard or location name to open the switcher. From there, switch to Agency View so you have access to your agency-level tools and all sub-accounts. In the left sidebar, open Sub-Accounts to see the list of clients. Find the specific client account you want to update. Click the three-dot menu next to that account, then choose Manage Client to open the account profile. Inside the client profile, look for the Actions menu. Open it, then select Load Snapshot. This tells GoHighLevel you want to bring a preset collection of assets into this existing account. You'll now see the Snapshot selector. Choose the snapshot you want to load. If you manage multiple versions, pick the most current one that matches the client's use case. It's a good idea to review the snapshot's description so you know which funnels, workflows, and assets it contains, and whether it overwrites or merges certain items. Click Proceed to continue. You may see a confirmation about merging assets into an existing account. Review any notes shown on screen, and click Proceed again to confirm you're ready to import. Next, you'll see a list of components available in the snapshot. To bring in the entire build, click Select All. This ensures pages, forms, workflows, emails, pipelines, products, and other included pieces are imported together so they function as intended. If you already have some assets in place and want to be selective, you can uncheck items you don't need. Otherwise, Select All is the fastest way to get a complete setup. When you're ready, click Proceed to start the import. The system will begin loading everything into the sub-account. Depending on the size of the snapshot, this can take a few minutes. Keep the tab open while it runs. When it's done, you'll have the snapshot's funnels, automations, and assets ready inside the client account. From there, you can review the imported items, update placeholder details like business information, and run quick tests on key workflows to confirm emails, forms, and pipeline steps behave as expected. That's it. You've successfully loaded